dietitian with Sedona North Healing Arts. Today I'm just in my kitchen doing some meal prep, and I wanted to share with you on how to make homemade hummus. Hummus is a vegetarian spread or dip that is very versatile and very healthy. It's a great way to use plant-based proteins, which are recommended in Canada's food guide. So with hummus, you can use it in wraps, as a sandwich spread, put it into pitas and stuff it with some lean meats or veggies. You can also use it with raw veggies. That's how we like to eat it around our house. So today I'm just going to use some canned chickpeas that I had, and I rinsed these chickpeas for about a minute under cold water to reduce the sodium content. You could also buy dried chickpeas, which is a very inexpensive way to go about it. You just need to soak them and cook them before you make your hummus. The best way, or the easiest way that I like to do my dried chickpeas is to just put them in a slow cooker and cover them with water and then cook them on high for about 4 hours. And then they're soaked, cooked, and they are ready to go for any type of chickpea salad or hummus that you want to make. So basically this is a one pot or one blender dish, so very, very easy cleanup, which I love. So I've got all my ingredients out here, and I'm just gonna add everything to my blender and show you how it's done. So we've got, like I said, the 1 can of chickpeas that are drained, and so I'm just throwing those into my blender. And then I've got something called tahini paste, and tahini paste is basically just ground up sesame seeds. So I've got 1/4 of a cup of the tahini paste, so I'm just gonna add that into the blender. And then I've got 1/4 of a cup of, you can either use a chicken broth, but if you wanted to make it vegetarian, then you could just use a vegetable broth. And this is also low sodium, so I can control the amount of salt in this recipe. And then I also want to add in 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of water into here. There we go. And I've got 1 clove of garlic that I've already chopped up here. So I'm just going to add that in. There we go. And then finally, cumin, spice that we use a lot of in our cooking, and we've got 1 teaspoon of that. And then finally, I've got 1 fresh lemon here, and I'm gonna use the juice of 1 fresh lemon. And I always like to squeeze it through my fingers so that I can catch any of the seeds. We don't wanna get any seeds into your hummus. So I'm just gonna squeeze each half here. Get that going. There we go. And that is it. So I put my blender lid on, I blend it up until it's nice and pureed, and you've got a great spread or a dip that you can use all week long. Thanks for joining me. If you'd like any more recipes or credible nutrition information, see the Dietitians of Canada website. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.